Volkswagen has officially unveiled the all-new ID. Cross, an exciting new electric SUV that brings premium class technology, modern design and everyday practicality into a compact format. Welcome to World of Cars. In this video, let's take a closer look at Volkswagen's latest electric SUV and what makes the ID. Cross an important addition to the ID family. The ID Cross has been designed around a clear idea: combine the practicality and commanding presence of an SUV with the efficiency and smooth driving experience of an electric vehicle. From the outside, the design is unmistakably Volkswagen, but with a more expressive and modern character. The SUV features a confident front-end design, clean surfaces, distinctive lighting elements and a strong stance. Its proportions are compact enough for city driving while maintaining the visual presence expected from an SUV. The interior takes the premium approach even further. Volkswagen has focused on creating a spacious and comfortable cabin with modern digital technology, high-quality materials and a clean, intuitive layout. A key attraction is the digital experience, with a modern infotainment system and connected features designed to make everyday driving easier. The ID Cross is also aimed at families and urban users who want the flexibility of an SUV without moving into a larger vehicle category. And because this is an electric Volkswagen, efficiency and effortless performance are central to the experience. The electric powertrain delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration and quiet operation, making the ID Cross particularly well suited to both city traffic and longer journeys. Volkswagen is also placing strong emphasis on safety and driver assistance. The ID Cross incorporates advanced assistance technologies designed to provide additional support in different driving situations. But perhaps the most important aspect of the ID Cross is its positioning. It aims to make premium electric mobility more accessible in a compact SUV package. For customers looking to move into an EV without sacrificing practicality, technology or style, this could be a very interesting proposition. The ID Cross also strengthens Volkswagen's growing electric vehicle portfolio and reflects the company's strategy of bringing electric mobility to a wider range of customers. So, what do you think about the all-new Volkswagen ID Cross? Does its combination of compact SUV practicality, premium technology and electric power make it one of Volkswagen's most interesting new EVs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. For more new car launches, electric vehicles, automotive news and detailed walkarounds, subscribe to World of Cars and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
character.